Free Military Training Regiment, which is part of 2 Signal Training Center. It's conducting the recruitment rally for Agniveers in the UHK quota. This rally has been conducted from 5th of September to 10th of September. The young aspirants for Agniveer scheme, they have come to us from all over India, and the enthusiasm you can see in the performance and the conduct of the entire of the process of the rally. We had conducted the rally for Agniveer Technicals. Around 1,000 personnel had come for that. We are conducting the rally for Agniveer journal duties, and in subsequent days we will be conducting the rally for other categories. Today we had a strength of around 1,800 personnel who had come to us. The basic highlight of this rally is that this recruitment rally is happening after around 2 years. So a lot of boys who have come to us from all over India, they are very well prepared, and this was seen in the result and the way they were participating in the entire events. The second highlight is the entire process of recruitment. It has been automated by using a special software. It is a biometric driven software wherein the biometric of all the conducting staff as also the candidates it's taken, and all the results are directly fed into the software, due to which there is a lot of efficiency in the entire conduct, and also the correctness of data is also of very high nature. As regard the conduct of the rally, we start the day with 1.6 kilometer timed run. As you also you saw the conduct yourself, it is a timed run, the selected lot. After that we do the registration and the biometrics are taken. Then they are taken through rigorous physical and medical test. All the candidates who get filtered from this tests are they are put through scrutiny of the documentation. After the documentation, the selected candidates are given the admit card for the common entrance examination, which will be conducted again by 3MTR at Madgaon. As regard the preparation and the infrastructure required for the conduct of rally, I am indeed very thankful to Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Pramod Sawant. He has shown personal indulgence in the entire conduct and the preparation for the rally. I would like to thank the District Commissioner, Ms. Jyoti Kumari. His entire office is just a phone call away, and they have been very proactive as to provide us the support for the conduct. In the last, I would like to thank our MLA of Nevalim, Mr. Ullas Tunekar. He has personally visited the unit and the Dikarplay football ground where the administrative setup is there, and he has personally steered the entire preparations himself. I am very thankful to him. In the last, I am very thankful to the locals of Madgaon. They have been very cooperative and accommodative so that there is no discomfort to the candidates, as also they have supported the rally very much. I am thankful to the brothers from media for having spared their time and covered the rally. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.